If you truly want this coming year to be the best year ever in your business, if you're tired of going through the same mundane process over and over again and hitting the same results over and over and over again, and you're just tired of it, feels like you're going in circles, it feels like you're on a hamster wheel, it just feels crazy, right? Feels like you're not getting any progress, feels like you're not getting anything done, right? I feel you. I've been there. You're going to want to watch every single second of this video, because what we're going to drop in this video is a formula that all of our students have used to generate massive amounts of success.
Got the racks up to my ear. Hey.
Now, if you've checked out our testimonials, you know what we're about. We are rich from anywhere, and we have a bunch of students that are hitting their goals, doing 50K a month, 100K a month, 200K a month, 400K a month. We have students who are making millions of dollars a year because they're implementing this formula to the T. And you could be the same way, but you have to take action on the things that we're talking about in this video. Don't just watch this video, but implement this video. Get a pen and a piece of paper out, write some notes, and take action on the things that we're gonna drop in this video, because this is a 6-figure, 7-figure video right here, okay? Now, welcome to our channel. This is Rich from Anywhere. We drop a lot of tips for entrepreneurs that are trying to get into online business, that are trying to make money online, that are trying to learn the techniques and strategies necessary to level up and take their biz to completely new levels. So before we get into it, click that like button, go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because we drop a lot of videos like this on a weekly, bi-weekly basis, and this can absolutely help and transform your business. If you have friends that are entrepreneurs that are interested in this type of thing, go ahead and share this with them, because it can benefit them as well. Let's get into the whiteboard, and I'm going to show you exactly how to execute this formula. So this formula is very, very simple. You have a product that can change people's lives. You have a product that makes people's lives better. So you must do everything in your power to get that product into their hands to make their lives better. And you truly need to believe that. In order to truly do that, let's go ahead and get started. So this is your customer. This is your ideal customer right here, all right? I'm just gonna draw a stick figure here. This is your customer. Now, keep in mind, your customer is being bombarded with offers day after day after day. So what's gonna actually make you cut through and catch their attention? It starts with this. The first thing you want to do is you want to get your customer to watch, okay? The first thing you want to do is you want to get your customer to watch, okay? You want them to watch you. How do you get people to watch you? How do you get your customers' attention to actually watch you? And it starts with this. If you're not posting content on social media, you are slipping, and you are not going to gain any attention at all. All right. Now, the type of content that you should be posting on social media, you should be doing your Instagram reels, do Facebook reels, do TikTok as well. These 3 platforms can transform everything for you. I'll even throw YouTube in there, because honestly, if you can get seen on multiple platforms, it's going to be better for you. All right. Now, once you start posting content on these platforms, there's certain things that you need to do to be able to get more eyeballs on your brand. Okay. Do not focus on picture content, because picture content doesn't really work the way that video content does. So you should always be posting videos. Now, in order to gain that attention and get more people to watch, first thing you want to do is you want to use trending sounds. You want to get trending sounds because, remember, trending sounds are what people are checking for. People are checking for trending sounds to see what cool, unique things people are doing on those sounds. So you absolutely want to use your trending sounds. Now, another thing that you want to do is you want to be authentic. All right? Be authentic, be you, be yourself. Because like I said, your customer right here, your customer is being bombarded with people marketing to them all the time, and a lot of it is the same. So all you have to do is be authentic. Don't try and be someone else, be you, and watch what happens. All right, you'll start to see those views go up. All right, the next thing you want to do is you want to be consistent as well. Be very consistent in your posting. Post every day. If you can't post every day, post every other day, but be consistent with what it is that you're doing, and you'll start to see those views go up. We have students who have done that, who have hit 1.5 million views on their Instagram reels. They've started selling out of products. This stuff works, but you have to work it and you have to be consistent with it. Now, while you're getting these people to watch, that's great and all, but if you're not directing them somewhere, then you're losing. I know plenty of influencers who have millions of views that are not making any money because they don't know how to monetize. They're getting the views, but they don't know what's next. I'm going to show you what's next right now. All right. After they begin watching, you want to make sure that they are also opting in. Okay. You want people to opt into what we call a lead magnet. All right. A lead magnet is a specific landing page that asks for a couple of different things. We ask for the name, we ask for the number, we ask for the email. All right. So this is a lead page, right? And we want people to opt in to this lead page. Okay. Now, a lead magnet is essentially where you give a customer something for free in exchange for their name, their phone number, and their email. Now, it's a big step for a potential customer to give you this information. So the best way to make it work is to create what we call a mouth-watering offer. All right. So this is your ideal customer right here. And this is a little tongue here, right? And they're drooling because what you're doing is you're giving them a mouth-watering offer, all right, that they're looking at. All right. So your offer has to be on point. So what we're going to do here is we're going to add a little bow. So this is essentially a gift right here. This is a gift that you're providing to the customer. Okay. So you have to create a mouth-watering offer. Okay. Something that the customer feels is a true gift that they would love to exchange their phone number and their email for. All right. Now, in order to get people to even come to this landing page, you have to focus on your messaging inside of your video. You have to tell people what to do, okay? Because here's the thing, if you just record a video and you're just expecting people to click on your links, you're gonna just be waiting there forever because people aren't going to do that. People are going to do what they are told to do. So your messaging has to tell people, hey, click that link in my bio to get my free XYZ, okay? Now, other ways that you can get people to click that link are inside of your Instagram story or inside of your TikTok stories. You're going to want to add a link to your particular offer. Polls work really well for actually getting more people to engage with your story. So add a poll to your story as well. But your call to action has to be something that's directing people to the lead page to collect that information. We literally have students doing this right now. Actually, one of our students, we told her about this strategy. She implemented it, and within 3 days, she collected over 200 emails. Okay. So this thing absolutely works, but you have to work it. You have to take the action. Now, once you get people to actually start opting in and taking advantage of your lead magnet, you're going to begin collecting a lot of emails and phone numbers. All right. Remember, each person that gives you their information is a potential customer, and that customer can equate to $100 to $1,000 per year. So don't sleep on this strategy. Once these people begin opting in, all right, this is where it gets really fun, because now you're going to begin to start seeing wins. Okay, you're going to start to see the wins. Now, here's how the wins start to pile up for you. Here's what you do to start winning. Okay, and I'm going to show you what happens to your customer when you start winning and what happens to you when you start winning. All right, so for you to begin winning, you have to start sending out email blasts as well as SMS blasts. Okay, email and SMS blasts. You have to begin blasting them with more offers. All right, sending more offers. And I know what you're gonna say. Oh, I don't want to be annoying. Some people have texted me the word stop before, and I'm super sensitive about that, and I feel like they don't like me anymore. Here's a news flash for you. Your product is so good, and if you're not putting it in the hands of the people that truly need it to make their lives better, you're doing them a disservice, and you're also doing you a disservice. All right. So you have to get out of that habit of thinking, oh, I don't want to be annoying when I send off these text blasts and email blasts. No, send them things out because people want to take advantage of your offers. Remember, your product makes people's lives better. Okay. So once you start sending out these offers weekly, you're going to start seeing the sales pile up. Okay. When you start sending out those offers. So what that's going to do is that's going to equate to you winning and continuing to win these big old trophies. All right. You're going to keep getting these trophies. So now here you are with your trophy because you've just gotten a W. You've just hit that record month, and you've done it consistently month after month after month, right? You've done that. But now also your customer also is winning as well. And they got a nice little trophy themselves too. And the reason why your customer is winning is because they're getting what they want, right? They got the free lead magnet. That's the trophy. That's a win for the customer, right? They bought your product, which is a win for them as well, because it's going to make their life better as well. All right. So now all of a sudden you have a happy customer. This customer is happy. So you have a happy customer, and your business is thriving because then your customer is going to begin leaving you these 5-star reviews, right? And the more of those you get, the more you can take these 5-star reviews and you can add them to your email blast that you send out consistently. And then the cycle goes on, and you're continuing to hit record month after record month after record month. So this is the formula. Get people to watch, get people to opt in, and then you win. Okay? Simple as that. All right. Hope you enjoyed this video. Hope this video resonates with you. Remember, take this formula and take some action. All right. And I promise you, at the end of next year, you're going to be saying, wow. All right. Hope y'all have a good one. Peace and love. Stay tuned for more. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more content like this, and we'll see you on the flip side. Peace.